Hey friends, if you wish to fix PowerShell has stopped working or is not opening in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. The first solution is an antivirus scan. So search for Windows Defender and then go to Windows Security. You can directly search for Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Scan Options. Select Full Scan. Scroll down and click on Scan Now. The next solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration and then go to system configuration. Now go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services, select disable all, click on apply, then on OK and then restart your system. And lastly, you can re-enable PowerShell. So search for Windows features, click on turn Windows features on or off. Okay, and then you can scroll down and you'll find Microsoft PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. Uncheck it, click on OK, and let it scan the files and all, apply the changes and etc. and all. And you will have to restart it. I won't restart it now because I need to show rest of the procedure. Okay, and then you need to go to Windows features once again and then scroll down. After restarting the system, check it, which is enabling Windows PowerShell, and click on OK. This will re-enable Windows PowerShell and you will have to restart the system once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.